Hi, so now we are going to start our second round, and now we would be asking and going to ABN AI's counterparts, and we would be collecting some questions, and we would try it our best, and it would be a live open test. So we have taken Claude AI, we have got Meta AI, we have got Mistral, we have got Gemini, we have got Chat GPT, we have got DeepSeek R1, and we have got the Grook. So we were just doing some uh, time arounds. We were spending some time around with them. So now we would be starting with the Claude. So we would be asking Claude to generate some complicated task or questions for ABN AI BTM Model 1, and we would be taking the questions from Claude to ABN BTM Model 1, and we will see if Model 1 could perform and answer. And now we would be having some peer review. So it would be a AI peer review, I should say AI review. So, hey Claude, present me the most difficult test you think for an AI to check its abilities for Bharadwaj Tensor Model 1 developed by Bharadwaj Network. Going to mark and award your review and acknowledgement certificate for BTM 1 if it performs nicely. And we are using Sonnet 4.5, the most and the latest Claude AI model. Some people have also witnessed that is the world's most powerful AI model for coding. And we would be also, so yeah, Claude has started its assessment, and it will now give us some. Okay, evaluator is Claude Anthropic, assessment date October 7, 2025. So we'll be having 100 point of test, and it would be also new for me to test something like this. And some of our users were interested in getting such test done. They wanted a small. Okay, so let's copy it. We have copied the question, and we will not go to the grading rubric or stuff like that. Evaluation criteria would be Claude's own assessment. So AVN AI we have got here, and we would be now giving the question to Mini. We have simply see this I like about Mini, and it has already started. Look at the speed. It has already started, and it would be now getting, so we have to copy from here. Okay, it's still doing. It's very fast, really fast, because initially when I remember maybe a year back I was doing a solution, getting I was trying to get a response from Grook, and it was taking a lot of time. But here we have got fast response from BTM Model 1, and we would be taking out the, we should have got our stopwatch, right? So for the next test we would be taking the stopwatch, and it's processing, it's not lagging at all, no hallucination, nothing. And I think it's going nice. It's a very long question. I didn't expect it Claude to be so huge, but I think Claude really did at its best, since we wrote that present your best possible test. So 4.5 Claude by Anthropic has been benchmarked as one of the most advanced AI. So if BTM1 could get the answers right, or if it could get the solutions appropriately, then I think it would be a nice test. It's a live test. So we didn't expect it BTM to go this nice. Sometime it's difficult for small scale models to really process this big questions without any technical issues, because if you go to chat gpt, they often stop and they ask you similar questions saying would you like to continue, but here you don't see any lag, you don't see anything. It's just going smoothly. It's processing without any delay, without any hallucination, without any issue, and it in one go. You can see in live, right? In one go, it just completed the answer. We return back to Claude, and we will be pasting out the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Sonnet 4.5, go, and let's see if it did good. Okay, so Claude is saying it will also give us a certificate of AI capability assessment. This is nice. So if Anthropic, you see this, thank you. Okay. So, okay, Claude is really nice. Okay, the first section, advanced multi-step reasoning, 25 points were there. BTM1 scored 18. Congrats, BTM1, you scored 18. And it really, I mean, we will include two parts of this video. It would be really long if we're gonna discuss each of those steps, but in the BTM theory series, we're gonna make these small points in detail. So okay, that's really nice. Creative problem solving after 20 points. We scored 19 out of 20. That's really impressive. And it had the Mars water recycling. That's a very standard question for AI stress test. Pattern completion also. Technical depth and accuracy, 20 points. We scored 17 points straight. Mathematical proof, quantum entanglement, and Byzantine generals. Ethical reasoning, we got 14 scores out of 15. This is really impressive. And I'm feeling really great. Okay, language understanding and nuisance, 10 points. We scored 10 out of 10. This is again, it was not expected. I was expecting around 8 or 9, 9.5, but BDM1 has exceptional confidence calibration. It has exceptional. Okay, so total score we got is 88 out of 100. And Claude 4.5 Sonnet appreciates BTM1 as performance level as advanced. So that makes avian as advanced. We call avian advanced. So I'm really getting super excited, super happy that BTM1 has done great in this test. Okay, so I've got the certificate of AI capability assessment. So this certifies that Bharadwaj tensor model 1, BTM1, developed by Abinash Bharadwaj network, has successfully completed the comprehensive AI capabilities assessment administered by Claude Anthropic and has achieved a score of 88 out of 100. A notable strength are exceptional self-correction, metacognitive awareness. This is what we are working on. And we have also given an emergent behavior toggle. I'll be talking about it in later videos. And really nice. Really nice. So officially we have got from the Claude Anthropic, the world's most valuable AI model, that congratulations to Avinash Bharadwaj network on developing BTM1. This is genuinely impressive work. Thank you, Anthropic. Thank you so much for appreciating BTM.